Hello friend, today factorize a cubic equations by the first trick methods. Our equation is x cube plus 8x square plus 17x plus 10. We can write here again. So 10 is the constant term. So first we know factors of the 10. The factor of the 10 is plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 5 and plus minus 10. This factor right here, plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 5 minus 5 plus 10 and minus 10. Here highest degree is 3, that means this polynomial have 3 factor. So we have to choose 3 factor from this. Condition number 1 is if add the 3 factors, so we get coefficient of x square, and if multiply of the 3 factors, so we get the constant terms. Clear? So choose the 3 factors, plus 1, plus 2 and plus 5. Sum of the plus 1, plus 2 and plus 5 is equal to 8. So 8, here is also 8, is okay. 8 equal to 8. Now multiply by 3 factors. So 1 into 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Here 10 equal to 10. Clear? Here both conditions are satisfied, so we can say we choose the right factor. So answer is very simple. Here plus 1, that means you add x. First factor is x plus 1. Here also you add x, that means second factor is x plus 2, and last again x plus 5. So we write the answer of these polynomials. Factors are x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 5. By these factor we can also solve a cubic equation. That means we can find the zeros of the x. Now write the factors. Here x plus 1 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0 and x plus 5 equal to 0. If x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1, x plus 2 equal to 0, that means x is equal to minus 2, and x plus 5 equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 5. So here answer is minus 1, minus 2, minus 5 are the zeros of these polynomials. We factorize by the first tricks. Factorize this cubic equation. We write the equation, and here minus 15 is the constant term. So first we write the factor of the 15s. Factor of the 15 is plus minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus 5 and plus minus 15. These are the factor of 15. This factor right here, plus 1, minus 1, plus 3, minus 3, plus 5, minus 5, plus 15 and minus 15. So now we have to choose 3 factors from these factors. Condition is add the 3 factors, so result should be constant term of x square, that means 3, and if we multiply the all 3 factors, so result should be constant term, that means minus 15. So find the factors, plus 1, minus 3 and plus 5. So right here plus 1, minus 3 and plus 5. So total 3. Plus 1 plus 5, 6, minus 3 is equal to 3. Here coefficient of x square is equal to 3. Okay. Now multiply these factors. 1 into minus 3 into is equal to 15. So minus 15 and minus 15. Okay. That means our factors are absolutely right. So we find the factors adding the x plus 1, x minus 3 and x plus 5. These are the factors of these polynomials. So right here x cube plus 3x square minus 13x minus 15 equal to x plus 1, x minus 3 and x plus 5 are the factor of these polynomials. Okay. From these factors we can also solve the cubic equation. That means zeros of the cubic equations by first tricks. Okay, solve the cubic equation. X cube plus 3x square minus 13x minus 15 equal to 0. So we write the factors, we solve the last page. Now x plus 1 equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0, or x plus 5 equal to 0. If x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1. If x minus 3 equal to 0, then x is equal to 3, and x plus 5 equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 5. So these are the three zeros. Hello friend, factorize the cubic equation by the first trick. Factorize 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Here 2 is the coefficient of x cube. So we divide by 2 the all terms. Divide by 2. So we find x cube plus 1 by 2 x square minus x minus 1 by 2. Factor of the 1 by 2 is plus minus 1 and plus minus 1 by 2. Right here plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. So we have to choose again three factors. First condition is sum of the three factors should be coefficient of x square, that means 1 by 2, and multiply of the three factors should be constant term, that means minus 1 by 2. So plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Add the three factors, so we get 1 by 2. Plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So same. Now multiply 1 into minus 1 into 1 by 2. So we get minus 1 by 2. Here minus 1 by 2 and here also 1 by 2. The same. That means our factors are right. And know the factors. Add x. So we get the three factors x plus 1, x minus 1 and x plus 1 by 2. So we can write finally 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to x plus 1, x minus 1 and x plus 1 by 2. If we find the zeros of this polynomial by the first trick. Solve a cubic equation 2x cube plus x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. We factorize, write the factors of these polynomials, which I solve the last page. So here x plus 1 equal to 0, or x minus 1 equal to 0, or x plus 1 by 2 equal to 0. So if x plus 1 equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1. If x plus 1 equal to 0, then x is equal to 1. And if x plus 1 by 2 equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So here three zeros of these polynomials.